Good morning to all. I am Dr. S. Vanitha, Assistant Professor of Zoology, PG and Research Department of Zoology, ADM College, Autonomous, Nagapattinam. Today discuss about reproduction of Paramecium. First, reproduction is a process by which offspring are produced by the parents. Paramecium exhibits asexual and sexual reproduction. First one, asexual reproduction. Offspring are produced without the involvement of gametes. The most common asexual reproduction exhibited by Paramecium is binary fission. First, binary fission. It is an asexual reproduction where a fully grown Paramecium is equally divided into two offsprings. Here the division occurs transversely, hence the binary fission. It is called as transverse binary fission. It occurs during favorable seasons. During binary fission, the Paramecium stop feeding and oral apparatus disappear. The micronucleus elongates and becomes divided into two daughter micronuclei by the mitosis. The macronucleus also elongates and becomes divided into two daughter macronuclei by the amitosis. Binary fission of Paramecium. Diagram represents the macronucleus contracted vacuole and micronucleus fuse the macronucleus dividing via amitosis, oral groove disappearing, then micronucleus dividing via mitosis. Next, new oral groove forming and mitotic spindle divided into new contracted vacuole and two daughter Paramecia finally are produced. Each daughter Paramecium receive a contracted vacuole from the parents. The second contracted vacuole is developed newly daughter, also developed an oral apparatus. The entire process of binary fission is completed within 30 minutes. A Paramecium undergoes binary fission once in every 26 hours. Now, sexual reproduction of Paramecium. In sexual reproduction, gametes are produced for the production of offspring. Paramecium exhibited about 5 types of sexual reproduction. They are: first one, conjugation; second one, autogamy; third one, endomixis; fourth one, hemixis; and final, cytogamy. First one, conjugation. Conjugation is the temporary union of two individuals for the exchange of nuclear materials. In conjugation, two Paramecia of different mating types come closer and contact with their ventral surfaces. These Paramecia are called conjugants. They stop feeding and their oral apparatus disappears. The pellicle and ectoplasm of the two individuals disappear at the point of contact. The conjugant are connected by a cytoplasmic bridge. It is called as conjugation canal. The macronucleus has no role in conjugation. It simply breaks into fragments and is absorbed into the cytoplasm. The micronucleus divides by meiosis. As a result, 4 haploid torus nuclei are produced in each conjugant. Then 3 nuclei in each conjugant disappear. The remaining nucleus unequally divided into 2 nuclei. It is called as pronuclei or gametic nuclei. The large pronucleus is called stationary pronucleus or female pronucleus. The small pronucleus is called migratory pronucleus or male pronucleus. The migratory nucleus of each conjugate passes through the conjugation canal into the other conjugate and fuses with the stationary nucleus. The fused nucleus is called Singerian or conjugation nucleus or zygotic nucleus. It is diploid number. After the formation of zygotic nucleus, the two conjugates separate. The separate conjugate are called exoconjugate. In each exoconjugate, the zygotic nucleus divided thrice to produce finally 8 nuclei are produced. Of these, 4 nuclei enlarges to become macronuclei at the remaining form micronuclei. Then 3 micronuclei disappear. The micronucleus divided into 2 with the binary fission of each exoconjugate into 2 daughters. Now, each daughter will be carrying 1 micronucleus and 2 macronucleus. Then the micronucleus again divided into 2 with the binary fission of the daughter paramecium. Thus, each exoconjugate produces 4 daughter paramecia. As there are 2 exoconjugates in conjugation, 8 daughter paramecia are produced. Diagram represent 2 paramecium fused with the conjugation. Conjugation of paramecium represent the diagram. Second one, autogamy. It is the nuclear recognition occurring in a single individual. It occurs in paramecium, Aryllia, which is characterized by the presence of 1 macronucleus and 2 micronuclei. The macronucleus break into fragments and is absorbed into the cytoplasm. The micronuclei divided by reduction division. As a result, 8 haploid number of nuclei are produced. 7th of these nuclei disappear and the remaining one divided into 2 gametic nuclei. At this time, the paramecium develops cytoplasm cone on the ventral sides. The 2 gametic nuclei enter the cytoplasm cone and fuse together to form a diploid zygotic nucleus or Singerian. The Singerian divides 2 times to produce 4 nuclei. 2 of these nuclei increases in volume and become macronucleus and the remaining 2 from the micronuclei. At this time, micronuclei divided into 2 followed by the binary fission of the parent, producing 2 daughter paramecia, each receiving 1 macronucleus and 2 micronuclei. Thus, in autogamy, 2 daughter paramecia are produced. Autogamy represent the diagram. Third one, endomixis. It is another type of sexual reproduction occurring in Paramecium Aryllia. In endomixis, reorganization of nuclear material occur in a single individual. The macronucleus divided into fragments and is absorbed into the cytoplasm. The micronuclei divided twice to produce 8 daughter nuclei, 6 nuclei degenerate. Paramecium undergoes binary fission. Each daughter receives 1 nucleus. Then the micronucleus divides twice in each daughter, producing 4 nuclei. 2 nuclei enlarge to become macronuclei and the remaining 2 become the micronuclei. Then the micronuclei divided with the binary fission of the individual into two daughter paramecium. Each daughter paramecium receive one macronucleus and two micronuclei. Thus, endomyxis produce four daughter individuals from a single paramecium. Fourth one, hemixis. It is a kind of reproduction where the macronucleus alone undergoes reorganization. The micronucleus remains inert. The macronucleus divided into many fragments. Certain fragments are absorbed into the cytoplasm. The remaining fragments become the macronuclei. This is followed by the binary fission. Last one, cytogamy. It is a kind of sexual reproduction where two individuals temporarily fuse and separate without any nuclear exchange. It occurs in Paramecium caudatum. In cytogamy, two paramecia come together by the ventral surfaces, but the pellicle does not break. The micronucleus divided thrice to form 8 micronuclei. 6 micronuclei disintegrate. The remaining 2 nuclei fuse together to form syngerion. The two paramecium now separate. Thank you.